Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the keyword search section under the settings tab. So let's begin. This setting allows you to set up specific keywords that can be linked to specific pages, either being internal or external pages. If a keyword search bar is set up on your website, users can type in a keyword and it will take them to a page or website that the keyword is linked to. Internal keywords are keywords that can be linked to internal pages or pages from your website. Say you wanted to promote one of your contests on your radio. Tell listeners to enter keyword car to get to your car contest page. So I'm going to select the page, scroll down, click the car contest page, and enter the word car. Now when I go over to our website, when I enter the keyword car, it'll take me right to the coolest car contest page. External keywords are keywords that can be linked to external pages or websites. This is a great way to incorporate your sponsors. You can link your sponsor's website by using a keyword. So here I have Envisionwise's website and then keyword Envisionwise. So I'm going to go over to our website, type in Envisionwise, and it'll take us right to Envisionwise website. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.